Hi there, I'm Sophie, your language partner from Chatcraft English. Let me ask you something. Do you want to speak English clearly, naturally, and with confidence, just like native speakers? The secret isn't in long grammar books. It's in short, real sentences that people use every day. Today, I'll guide you through 50 powerful phrases that can change the way you speak and understand English. These are not boring textbook lines. They're the kind of phrases people say at work, with friends in meetings, and in real conversations. And the best part, you'll hear them repeat them and know how to use them without stress or confusion. Just follow along, listen, repeat, and feel your English grow stronger step by step. Let's begin. 1. I just got in. This means I have just arrived at work. You can use this when you reach the office in the morning. For example, "Hey Sophie, can you talk now? I just got in." Give me 5 minutes. Try saying it, "I just got in." 2. What's on the agenda today? This means, what are the plans or tasks for today? You can ask this during meetings or when you start your day. Example: "Good morning, what's on the agenda today?" "We have a client call and a team meeting." Say it with me, "What's on the agenda today?" 3. Let's get started. This means let's begin the work or meeting now. It's a good phrase to begin a task or a meeting. Example: "Everyone's here. Let's get started." Repeat, "Let's get started." 4. I'll take care of it. This means I will handle it. I will do it. You say this when you want to show responsibility. Example: "Can someone send the report? I'll take care of it." Say it confidently, "I'll take care of it." 5. I'm still working on it. This means I haven't finished yet. I'm doing it now. You can use it when someone asks about your progress. Example: "Is the presentation ready? I'm still working on it." Repeat after me, "I'm still working on it." 6. Let's touch base later. This means let's talk again later about this. Touch base is a casual business phrase. Example: "I'm busy now. Let's touch base later." Say it naturally, "Let's touch base later." 7. I'm swamped. This means I'm very busy. It's an informal way to say you have too much work. Example: "Can you help me today?" Sorry, I'm swamped. Try it, "I'm swamped." 8. Can we reschedule? This means, can we move our meeting to another time? Use this when you can't attend something. Example: "I'm not feeling well. Can we reschedule?" Repeat after me, "Can we reschedule?" 9. It's due today. This means the deadline is today. Use this when something must be finished today. Example: "When do you need the report? It's due today." Say it clearly, "It's due today." 10. I'll keep you posted. This means I'll give you updates. Use it when you want to update someone later. Example: "How's the project going?" I'll keep you posted. Try it now, "I'll keep you posted." 11. We're running out of time. This means time is almost over. We must hurry. You can use this in meetings or projects. Example: "Let's finish the discussion." We're running out of time. Say it, "We're running out of time." 12. Let's wrap it up. This means let's finish the meeting or task. It's a great way to say time to end. Example, that's all for now. Let's wrap it up. Repeat, let's wrap it up. 13, I'm on it. This means I'm already doing it. It's quick and professional. Example, did you check the email? I'm on it. Say it confidently, I'm on it. 14, do you have a minute? This means, can I talk to you quickly? It's polite and soft. Example, do you have a minute? I need help. Say it with me. Do you have a minute? 15, that works for me. This means that time or idea is okay for me. Example, can we meet at 3 p.m.? Sure, that works for me. Try it, that works for me. Let's keep going. Here are more short and useful English sentences for everyday work. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and imagine how you'd use them at your job. 16, I'm heading out. This means I'm leaving now. Use it when you finish your workday or leave the office. Example, are you still working? No, I'm heading out. Say it with me, I'm heading out. 17, let me check. This means I will look and find the answer. It's polite and professional. Example, do we have a meeting today? Let me check. Say it slowly, let me check. 18, no worries. This means it's okay, don't worry about it. It's a casual way to say, that's fine. Example, sorry I sent it late, no worries. Try it, no worries. 19, it slipped my mind. This means I forgot, a soft way to admit a mistake. Example, did you call the client? Oh no, it slipped my mind. Repeat, it slipped my mind. 20, I appreciate it. This means thank you. I'm grateful. It sounds professional and kind. Example, I sent the file for you. I appreciate it. Say it warmly, I appreciate it. 21, fingers crossed. This means I hope for good luck. We say this when we want something to go well. Example, I have an interview today. Fingers crossed. Say it playfully, fingers crossed. 22, hang on a second. This means wait a moment. Use this when you need time. Example, can I talk to you now? Hang on a second. Repeat, hang on a second. 23, I'm tied up right now. This means I'm busy right now. Use this when you can't talk or help. Example, can you join the meeting? I'm tied up right now. Say it clearly, I'm tied up right now. 24, let me know. This means tell me when you decide. You can use it in many situations. Example, let me know if you need help. Repeat after me, let me know. 25, I'll look into it. This means I will check and find out more. It's a polite way to say I'll check. Example, why isn't the website working? I'll look into it. Say it, I'll look into it. 26, that's not going to work. This means that idea or time isn't okay. It's a polite way to say no. Example, let's meet at 5 p.m. That's not going to work. I have another meeting. Say it with care. That's not going to work. 27, can you clarify that? This means, can you explain it more clearly? It shows that you want to understand. Example, the task is due next cycle. Can you clarify that? Repeat. Can you clarify that? 28, Let's take a break. This means let's stop for a short rest. You can use this during long meetings or work sessions. Example, let's take a break and come back in 10 minutes. Say it gently. Let's take a break. 29. We're on the same page. This means we agree. We understand each other. It's a great way to show teamwork. Example, so we both agree on the plan. Yes, we're on the same page. Try it. We're on the same page. 30. That sounds good. This means I agree. That plan is okay. You can use this to say yes in a friendly way. Example, lunch at 12. That sounds good. Say it naturally. That sounds good. 31. Keep up the good work. This means you're doing well. Continue like this. It's a nice way to give encouragement. Example, you finished early again. Keep up the good work. Say it like a compliment. Keep up the good work. 32. That was close. This means almost made a mistake or something nearly happened. Use it when something almost went wrong. Example, I nearly missed the deadline. That was close. Say it with emotion. That was close. Let's keep building your English with more short and powerful sentences for your workday. Try to say them out loud and imagine how you'll use them in real situations. 33. Don't mention it. This means you're welcome. It's no problem. Use this when someone thanks you. Example, thanks for helping me. Don't mention it. Say it with kindness. Don't mention it. 34. I'll handle it. This means I will take care of it. It shows you are responsible. Example, who will reply to the email? I'll handle it. Say it clearly, I'll handle it. 35. It's not a big deal. This means it's okay. It's not serious. Use this when someone feels bad or worried. Example, I forgot to print the file. It's not a big deal. Say it softly. It's not a big deal. 36. Let's call it a day. This means let's stop working now. You say this when the work is done. Example, it's already 6 p.m. Let's call it a day. Say it with relief. Let's call it a day. 37. We'll see. This means maybe. I'm not sure yet. You can use it when you're undecided. Example, will we finish today? We'll see. Say it thoughtfully. We'll see. 38. Sounds like a plan. This means that's a good idea. It shows agreement in a friendly way. Example, let's meet at 3 to talk. Sounds like a plan. Repeat it. Sounds like a plan. 39. Better late than never. This means it's okay you're late. At least you came or finished. It's often said with a smile. Example, sorry I sent the report late. Better late than never. Say it casually. Better late than never. 40. It's worth a try. This means let's try it. It might work. Use this when you're unsure but hopeful. Example, should we ask the manager again? It's worth a try. Repeat after me. It's worth a try. 41. You never know. This means anything can happen. It's often used to stay hopeful. Example, Do you think I'll get the job? You never know. Say it with hope. You never know. 42. I'm good with that. This means that works for me. I agree. It's a casual way to say yes. Example. Can we reschedule to Monday? I'm good with that. Try saying it naturally. I'm good with that. 43. No hard feelings. This means I'm not angry or upset. Use this after a disagreement. Example. Sorry, I didn't choose your idea. No hard feelings. Say it warmly. No hard feelings. 44. Just in case. This means as a precaution, to be safe. Use this when preparing for something. Example. I brought my umbrella just in case. Say it slowly, just in case. 45. Let's move on. This means let's continue or go to the next thing. Use it in meetings or when changing topics. Example. Okay, we've discussed that. Let's move on. Say it confidently. Let's move on. 46. I couldn't agree more. This means I completely agree with you. Use this when you strongly support someone's idea. Example. We should improve our service. I couldn't agree more. Say it clearly. I couldn't agree more. 47. Let's keep it simple. This means don't make it too complicated. It's useful in planning or solving problems. Example. Do we need a big presentation? Let's keep it simple. Say it with ease. Let's keep it simple. 48. I'll be right there. This means I'm coming soon. Use it when someone is waiting for you. Example. Can you come to my desk? I'll be right there. Repeat, I'll be right there. 49. Let's get started. This means let's begin now. Use this at the beginning of a meeting or task. Example. Is everyone ready? Let's get started. Say it with energy. Let's get started. 50. Thanks for the heads up. This means thanks for telling me early. It's a way to thank someone for advance warning. Example. The boss might visit today. Thanks for the heads up. Say it naturally. Thanks for the heads up.